sir.
Thank you very much. It's really a pleasure meeting you in virtual mode. This really was my dream, that if through the NKN we can actually connect every student in this country, you can imagine the kind of transformation that is taking place in education in India. There's a lot of talk about the paucity of faculty and the increasing demands on faculty. And I think that in the ultimate analysis, by the time we are able to recruit faculty, अरे भैया आपका ये टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं चलेगा तो क्या और चलेगा? If the voice technology doesn't function, no, it is going, but it's not going behind me. It's my children who I want to address, which is more important. I want to connect with my children. And I want to tell them what our dream is. And our dream is precisely this, that each child ultimately should be connected in virtual mode to every university in this country. All universities must change their administrative systems, move on to the semester mode, so that each institution actually earns credits on semesters, can get credits from attending virtual courses in any other university, and then thereby get a degree in the university. So you can actually then access the best quality of faculty anywhere in the country. And this, of course, is in higher education. In school education, what I want is the best maths teacher in India should be giving the maths lesson to every child in India. And that should be accessed. Ultimately, technology will change the way we learn from each other, change the way we interact with each other, and change the way we empower each other. And we should be able to store lectures in video form. Children should be able to access lectures when they can't be there live, so that they can have that ability to access wherever they are. And once we have convergence technologies in place which converges all devices into the television, then you can sit at home and do a lot of your studies if you're not able to attend a particular class. So I think ultimately the objective is to give more choice to students. My definition of democracy is not freedom to choose who you want to elect. My definition of democracy is freedom to choose the course you want to do in the university system, no matter which university offers that course. It's towards that vision that I want to take the university system. What I want is the political class to support me. I know the student community supports me, but I want the civilian community to ensure that the political class also supports me. Thank you very much and all the best.